Hi everyone. I'm Antoni, I'm CEO and founder at Vstorm, and my main goal is to give you more context about who we are, what we are doing, but also maybe give you something valuable, I hope so. Before I start, I wanted to ask you, how many people are using Logfire in your project? Can you please raise your hand? Okay. Have you ever heard about deep agents? Can you please raise your hand again? Okay. Not so many? Perfect. Okay, thank you very much. Vstorm is a boutique company. We are focusing on helping mid-market companies with the end-to-end agentic AI transformation. So we are originally rooted with engineering depth, but we help with the also consulting part as well. So far we have delivered more than 30 production-grade agentic AI solutions to different companies all over the world, from the US to Saudi Arabia, and I'll tell more about this later. Not pilots, not MVPs. I think only deployed production-grade solutions are counting here. One of the projects which is quite exciting is a project for the government of Saudi Arabia, where we helped, together with the Boston Consulting Group, we helped to automate the process of fighting the visual pollution in Saudi Arabia, which is quite a critical thing. So we help them to identify this, to conduct a root analysis, but also to build a trend prediction for the government to make it more manageable. Another example is the biggest Mercedes-Benz dealer in the region with more than 800 employees, where we help them to run the whole transformation from switching or shifting their minds into AI path up to consulting on how to start and where to start their transformation journey, and of course up to engineering part, where we just automate their processes and building their agentic foundation for the further parts of their journey. Another great example is Maxim, is a UK-based company, like a print on demand. So we help them to actually go through from idea to print, where you can simply put a prompt what you are looking for, and your agent, as you can see here, will understand not just the keyword, but also will understand the intention. This is the most critical part. So it's connected through API to understand better the pricing, up-to-date warehouses, like warehouse current stock and delivery dates, but also validation. It's a multi-agent architecture where another agent is validating the order based on different parameters. And of course, best recommendations, so giving a simple understanding of what you are looking for, it helps you to understand what you really can get and what kind of order you can configure. And of course, quote based on different parameters as well. So going beyond just a simple chat, so it also helps you to design. So text, the previous part was text to order, and this one is text to product. So you can build the entire product, brochure, your business card, like a photo book, whatever else, just simply using the chat interface and agent here. We really want to give back to the whole Pydantic community what we have learned so far from different projects, from different industries and different use cases. That's why we decided like a few months back to start giving back through different instruments, applied papers, but also open sources. And I'm happy to tell you more about different open source project that you might potentially use in your project where you use Logfire observability tool. So we built a Logfire AI Assistant. So it's an agent for your agents. So you can simply prompt using like natural language. You can ask anything you want. It's a Chrome-based extension. So even non-technical person can utilize this in their managing the product, the project, and everything. So we can ask about like from token consumption to bugs or opportunities for prompt optimization. So it's an intelligent tool that can help you to optimize after you see what might go wrong with your agentic system. Another tool which also helps you to start projects like this more faster and also in a more efficient way. So you can simply use the full stack agent template, which is also fully open source. It's like 100% free and available on our GitHub. You can configure different options within this tool and start your project with already presets that will, as you can see, also including interface and front-end part. Another thing is, if you have heard, and probably most of you not heard yet about deep agents, but I'm pretty sure you are familiar with Cloud Code and Cowork, right? So this is something you can have on your terms as an open source. So just simply go download this Pydantic Deep Agents, and you can use this as you want on your terms. But also you can run or conduct this particular library, can conduct a research, planning phase, write the code, and also execute tasks. So you might think of this as a Manus agent for your assistant. We have built also like a satellite libraries around it. So Pydantic Deep Agents, it's quite a popular library right now, which is trending very nicely. We have a really positive feedbacks from users, but we decided also to chunk different pieces of that project and also make this available for the community as well. Thank you for your time. If you want to connect with me, so feel free to use this QR code. That's it.